Hey everybody, so I'm back on to let you guys know that my husband had his first sale on Poshmark. I wanted him to do this video with me, but he was like, I didn't really want to be on your video, so I'm doing it by myself. I'm super proud of him. He literally got a sale within 6 hours, I think it was, and it happened to be one of the, when you drop your prices, I think it was the closet clear out. If you send an offer to your likers, they get 6 hours to get discounted shipping. I'm pretty sure that he took advantage of that. We had taken a nap on the couch and then he woke up with a sale. And so these are the tips as to after seeing his whole thing happen. These are just some tips that I have. So first of all, his item was super searchable. So I think that really helped his item get traction. It was a name brand. He had said himself, he's like, if I didn't get that sale, I would lose motivation. Now he has like almost a full closet and I'm just so super proud of him. He has been, anybody who shares his post, he shares their post. And he goes back and forth with that. Anybody who follows him, he follows them, and then he likes their stuff, he shares their stuff. And it's just, I can't stress enough how much of a social app Poshmark is. You just share each other's stuff all the time. So I'm just so proud of him. I will be at the end of this week, I'm going to be talking about, because we had a competition going. So I want to see who actually winds up getting more sales by the end of the week. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. You want to make sure that you go in. I'm going to show you exactly in this video where you have to go, and you have to make sure that when somebody has a sale and you go to print that label, that it has the packing slip with it. He had sent me an email because my computer is hooked up to the printer. So he had sent me an email and I was like, wait, your label isn't right. It doesn't have the packing slip next to it. And so we had to actually go in and figure out how to get the packing slip next to it. This is really important because if you have more than one order that you're shipping out at a time, you want to make sure that you give the right stuff to the right people. You don't just want a label that doesn't even say what the person had purchased. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to do that. The other tip that I have is something that we've been doing is that after work hours, he basically, we make the bed and we lay out all the clothes on the bed. We have a ring light that helps. And we take pictures at like, I don't know, 6 o'clock at night, we'll take pictures of Poshmark and then we'll sit on the couch next to each other watching TV and we'll both just list our listings. So it's just something fun that we're doing. And yeah, that's that. So don't forget to check out his closet. I will definitely have that linked. I love you guys and I hope that this video helps. Bye.
Okay, so this is my husband's sale that I'm so proud of him for. You guys can check out his handle, Joey Bourbon, and go follow him. Now I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about before. So you're going to go to your main page. You're going to click on your handle on the bottom. See where mine is at Stylist Erica. You're going to click that maybe twice. You might have to click it twice, and you're going to go into My Seller's Tools. After you're in My Seller Tools, you're going to go into Shipping Label Settings. When you're in Shipping Label Settings, you're going to make sure you put the little toggle on for Packing Slip. That's going to make sure when you print your label that you get from Poshmark, that right alongside of it is the packing slip, so you know who purchased what. Okay, so let's go back to that main screen, hit your name, then you're going to go to notifications. It's under sharing settings, and then from there you're going to select the notifications that you want to be alerted for. So you can definitely pause the screen and see which ones I have notifications for. But my husband brought this to my attention because he was very worried, like, how do I know if somebody liked my stuff? How do I know if somebody had an offer? How do I know? And so I was like, oh, you get a notification. And then I realized that he may not have the toggles on for the notification because I don't know what the default settings are. This is something that I've messed around with for a while. So definitely pause the screen if you want, go into notifications and then flip on those little toggles.